Okay, guys, today is the last day of new stuff you're learning for probabilities. It's going to be complex predictions. So we did regular simple predictions last time, and then the complex predictions is just a little bit more complex, like some other thing is thrown in that will help that you need to figure out. Okay, so the steps are going to be the same thing as when we did simple predictions. You're going to still set up that proportion, item over total, and then cross multiply and divide. Okay, so that's all we're doing. Same steps as yesterday. So let's go over it. A school teacher buys 2 boxes of pencils. Each box contains 100 pencils. The teacher notices that there are 4 pencils total that are broken in the boxes. Based on these results, what can the teacher predict about the next set of boxes that she buys? Okay, so first I know when I set up this one, I'm going to have boxes of pencils, or how many pencils, our number of pencils, and then our number that's broken, okay? Broken, okay? So it says she bought 2 boxes of pencils, and each box contains 100 pencils, okay? Which means I need to do 100 times 2 to find out how many total pencils I have. 2 out of 100 times 100 is 200, so I'm gonna put 200 there for my number. And then she notices that 4 are broken in those boxes. So we're going to do 4 there. Okay. And then this part is going to help us figure out this one. Okay. If she buys 3 boxes. So if I buy 3 boxes times 100 would be 300. How many pencils would be broken? Okay. So this one we might need to do a little bit. 4 times 300, a little bit more in depth. That's why it's complex. 4 times 300 is 1,200. Divided by 200 is 6. Okay, so that would be 6. So in 3 boxes, there would be 6 broken pencils. Okay, she buys 3 boxes, there will be 3 more broken pencils than when she bought 2 boxes. So 2 boxes was 4 and 6. So 4 plus 3 would be 7. So that's not that right. Okay, so if we notice our pattern, every 100 pencils is 2 broken pencils, because if I do 200 divided by 4, that would be 50, sorry. So each box has a 100 pencils, right? And since there were 4 pencils in 200, that means there would be 2 broken pencils in 100. Okay, so every box has 2 pencils. So I can list out a list. 1 box has 2 pencils. 2 boxes has 4 broken pencils. 3 boxes would have 6 broken pencils, and so on. 4, so we have 4, 5, and 6 here. So let's go all the way through 6. 4 boxes would have 8 broken pencils. 5 boxes would have 10 broken pencils, and 6 boxes would have 12 broken pencils. Okay, so let's see. We already know 2 boxes, 4 plus 3 would be 7, so that's not true. 4 boxes, there will be 4 more broken pencils, so then 2 boxes. So 4 plus 4 would be 8, okay? So it looks like that one's right. Let's check. 5 boxes would have 5 more than 2. 4 plus 5 is 9, so that's not true. 6 boxes would have 6 more than that. 6 plus 4 is 10, so it's not that one either. So it's B. Okay, and we're going to keep doing this. It's going to be basically the same thing. So I want to find out what's broken, how many are broken in one of the things, and then that will help us out. Okay, so let's find the pattern. It's basically what we're doing here, trying to find the pattern. Okay, so let's go on to the next one. An office manager gets a delivery of 2 boxes of staplers. Okay, so we're talking about 2 boxes of staplers. Okay, I'm going to put it again because it should be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Each box contains 20 staplers. So how many total staplers do I have? 2 times 20 is 40. So I have 40 total staplers in 2 boxes. Okay. The office manager tests out each stapler and finds that 1 stapler is broken. So out of 2 boxes, only 1 stapler is broken. Okay. So that means in every 2 boxes, I'm going to have 1 stapler broken. So I'm going to count by 2's here. 2, 4. So that would mean another 2 boxes, that's 2. And another 2 boxes, that's 3. So every 2 boxes would have 1. So 2 would have 1. And then I skip to 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. And I add 1 more. and then another 2, and add one more. 1, 2, 3. So that means on 1, 3, and 5, these aren't gonna, this would be like a half, 1.5, and 2.5. Okay, so these would be the halves. And we can't have half a stapler, so we know we don't have anything doing with those. Okay, so it's gonna be 2, 4, and 6. So let's look at 2, 4, and 6. So that's 3 boxes, so we're gonna get rid of that. That's 5 boxes, so we're gonna get rid of that. If he buys 4 boxes, there will be 1 more broken stapler than a delivery of 2 boxes. Is that true? 1 plus 1 is 2. That's true. If he buys 6 boxes, there will be 1 more broken stapler. So that's not true because I know it was the 4. So it'd be that one. And guys, that's essentially all we have to do. On this one, we're basically trying to find the pattern for it. Like you can set up the proportion and everything for it, but it's easier to just find the pattern on it. Okay. I think that's all. Okay. And that's all. Let me know if you have any questions, and then we will be taking the test on Friday, guys. Okay. Thanks. You guys have a great day.